inside the brick. If you're a returning subscriber, you know what to do. If you're new, welcome, and please make sure you slam that big red subscribe button and turn on post notifications by hitting the notifications bell and the giant thumbs up button. Today we will be making a remote, please. Yellow truck with a trailer and a red car. And please make sure you stay tuned until the end of the video to find out what we'll be making next week. Today's build will be in one part. If you have not seen our other videos, I have linked them up there. Right, let's get started. Let's build the yellow truck with the trailer and the red car. First, the yellow truck. You're going to take a 2x8 plate. You're going to flip it over. In the backer portion, you're going to take a tire connector. In the frontal portion, you're going to take another tire connector. You can take any tire connectors in this color, but you can take it in any shape. Let's continue building. You're going to flip it over again. On top of the 2x8 plate we already put, we're going to put another 2x8 plate. And then what you're going to do is you're going to put the tire connector here. A ball connector, my bad, not a tire connector. But anyway, you're going to put a 2x4 plate in front of that. A 1x2 plate in white. A 1x2 plate in yellow. And then another 1x2 plate with a doohickey in the front. We do not know the real name, so let us know in the comments below what the real name is. Anyways, let's continue. In the back, a 2x6 plate in white. Then this piece. We do not know the real name again, so let us know in the comments below. On top of the ball connector, a 1x1 stud, a 1x1 plate in transparent orange. It's not a stud because it's not round. And you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Let me show you up closely. And now what you're going to do is now that you're going to take this, a 4x6 plate, stick it here, and now you're going to put a 1x2 plate here, and then two 1x2 pair of slopes and stick them on top of that 1x2 plate. You can make the truck whatever color you want. We chose yellow. And now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take two 2x2 floats in transparent clear. In the back, a 1x2 brick in transparent clear. Two 1x1 bricks in yellow. And on top of those, put a 2x4 plate. And now you're gonna flip it over. On this side, you're gonna take a 1x2 invert slope behind that. Might be the tricky part. But put the plates on. But now you're going to turn it around. And you're going to put a 1x2 invert slope facing this way. And there you have the truck base. Now this next part is the tires. These are the tiny tires you want. But these are race car tires. You can get them on the Lego Creator Red Race Car. Here's a clear shot of the tire. But basically what you're gonna do is you can also use this tire. These tires are smaller, as you can see, but they can also work. But if you have these race cars tires, what you're gonna do is you're gonna put them on the tire connectors. And there you have it, a decent truck. Now let's build the trailer for the truck. You're going to take a 2x3 invert slope, 2x2 invert slope, and then the tire connector. I need just regular tire connector, nothing special. But what you're going to do is flip it over, put a 2x4 here. Gonna put a 2x4. You're going to stick it on a 4x8 plate. And it should almost be in the center, but there should be like this little spaces, front and back. And in the front with the longer invert slope, you're going to put a ball connector. Now what you're going to do is to build the lights on the back, you're going to take a 1x2 tile with a license plate sticker on it. If you don't have one of those, you can just take a 1x2 tile without anything on it. But what you're going to do is you're going to put 2 studs on each side in transparent red, and then you're going to stick it like this. Let me show you again. You're going to put it exactly here, not here, here. Here's why. Because we're going to put these, a 1x6 arc, right here, on each side. And then you're going to just flip it over, and then you're going to put a 1x2 handle in dark. And now what you're going to do is you're going to take these type of tires, just regular off-road tires. Here's a clear image of them, but you're going to stick them on the tire connector. And there you have it, the Trailwood. Here's how to build the red car. You're going to take a 2x6 plate. On the back, you're going to take 2 tire connectors in black, just regular tire connectors. And now what you're going to do is you're going to flip it. You're going to put it, you're going to take this, you're going to take this piece and you're going to put a 1x2 plate with a sticker on it. If you don't have a license plate, that's fine. But now what you're going to do is you're going to put 2 studs in transparent red on each side and then just stick it on the back. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take a 2x3 plate in red, this doohickey, we do not know the real name, so let us know in the comments below. A 4x4 plate, a 2x2 plate in the front, in the back a hinge, a 1x2 hinge brick. In front of those, two 1x2 bricks in transparent clear. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a 2x2 slope in transparent clear, and then on top of that you're gonna take a 2x3 plate in red. And now the tires. These are the kind of tires you might want to choose. These are race car tires. You can also use these tires. It's the same size and it also works. But if you have these tires, you're going to stick them on the tire connectors. Like so. Giving it that futuristic look. And there you have it, all three things. The yellow truck with the trailer and the red car. Vroom! You have it. I hope you like this build. As promised, we will be telling you what we'll be making next week. Next week we will be making a, drum roll please. It's a surprise build, so I can't tell you. So make sure you come back next week to find out how to build that. That's all for today, folks. Later.